Here's a guide on how to invest in stocks through Paytm Money. Account setup. Download the Paytm Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up using your mobile number, complete the necessary verification process, and link your bank account. KYC. Complete your KYC verification by submitting required documents online. This is mandatory for investing in stocks. Add funds. Transfer funds from your linked bank account to your Paytm Money account. This will be used to invest in stocks. Research. Use the app's research tools to analyze stocks, view their performance, historical data, and other relevant information. Select stocks. Choose the stocks you want to invest in. Paytm Money might offer a list of stocks available for trading. Place orders. Once you've selected stocks, place buy orders for the desired quantity of shares. Specify the price at which you're willing to buy. Monitor. After purchasing stocks, you can monitor their performance within the app. Paytm Money might also provide insights and notifications on market trends. Sell orders. If and when you decide to sell your stocks, you can place sell orders through the app. Charges and fees. Be aware of any charges or fees associated with stock trading on the Paytm Money platform.